eat. All cows. D.
D, very good. It's D.
All cows eat.
Good
E.
job.
All cows. D again.
D again. Yes. Can you play it on your piano? And what hand is playing? Is that your right hand is playing or left hand is playing?
Left hand.
Yes, very good. All right, this is D. Okay, how about this one?
All cows eat. F.
F, very good. All right, name this note. What's the name of this note?
All cows eat.
Good job. Where are you gonna play it? Yes. And what's the name of this note? Good job. We have 4 more.
Okay, and all cows eat grass. G.
Wow, you're really good on finding your notes, Vihan.
All cows eat. F.
Right. What about this note? We have 2 more to go. What's the name of this note?
That is all cows. C.
Good job. And the last one?
All cows eat grass. G.
G. Yes, you got it. All right, and now let's do our painting with the pastels. Here we go.
That's a song.
Yeah, do you remember your position? Did you just come up with the song?
No, I didn't come up with the song. I did it like the notes on the game.
Oh, and it sounded like a melody?
B, D.
That's great. Yeah, so you can be creative with that. Okay, do you remember your position?
I know. Dog and cat position.
Yes, but they get along well?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're gonna be right next to each other. Okay, here we go.
Wait, no, I was doing this part and then that was. Oh, this is hard.
Is it step or skip?
Oh, it's step.
Step. Is it step up or is it step down?
Step up.
Yeah. So if you're stepping from G, what's gonna be the next note?
Okay. A.
A.
5 and A. 2.
Yes, Yes, Vihan, good job on finding all of your notes. Very good. So now there's a few things that we need to look at. So what is those like looks like a rainbow. Yesterday we had a rain and then the sun came out and we have this beautiful rainbow that goes from one side to another and it was like a triple rainbow. I never seen such a beautiful rainbow. So this is looks like a rainbow too. What do we need to do when we see this?
Oh, um, hold it long. Like it's like legato.
Oh, yeah. So this is two different things, right? So right here, the difference, it looks the same, right? But the tie holds the note, like when we tie in shoes. So the tie holds our shoes on our legs, on the feet, right? So, but the legato has a different purpose. So when you see legato, what do? How do you play?
Hold the note.
No, you don't hold it. You hold it with a tie. You hold it with the tie, but with legato, what do? How do you play? Do you remember?
Rainbow.
Rainbow, but what means rainbow? Is a rainbow connects the notes or separates the notes?
It connects.
Connects. Legato is connected notes. Okay, so now let's do it one more time. And this time, see if you can connect notes together so it sounds like this. Like you're blending all the colors together, okay? You're not putting just drop of pink color, drop of yellow color. You blend all of the colors together. Ready? Here we go. What's that? What's the name of this note? What that pinky plays?
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, look how many notes do we need to connect together. We're blending a lot of different colors together. Good job, Ihan. See if you can play this whole phrase. All this, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 notes together. Let's see if you can blend all of those notes together. Ooh, that was so beautiful. We got some purple and pink and blue and yellow, and it made it like a real beautiful rainbow. And
because
red.
that makes purple.
Okay.
Light purple. Pink and blue makes light purple. Red and purple make. I mean, red and blue.
Okay.
Red and blue and pink and blue. Make purple.
Yeah, let's continue with the line 3. And Vihan, when you get to line 4, just see how long are we holding this tighted note, right? Let's do some musical math. Okay? So if we're holding this note, if we hold this note and this note, what's the total amount of beats are we holding it?
6.
Huh?
6.
How many beats are we holding that at half note?
Oh, dotted half note is 3.
3. So
9.
9. Yes, good job. Good job. And how many beats?
3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9.
9. And how about the right hand? How many beats is the right hand holds those two notes?
3, 6.
6, yes.
What?
6, yes. And when we play in this interval together, is it the harmonic intervals or is it melodic intervals?
Harmonic intervals.
Harmonic because you play them together. And when you play intervals separately?
It's I forgot them.
From the word melody, melodic. So harmony and melody. Yeah? So M for melodic because you play them separately. All right, so we stop right here on the line 3. Let's finish up the song. You're doing great job so far on painting with your music.
Painting with music doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
I actually paint with music.
You never paid with, so we're gonna learn all kind of different things to do. We'll learn how to paint with the music, like a real artist.
Like a pianist or a
Like
guitarist.
piano art, yes.
Because they all have the same ending. Is.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Are you holding that A? Yeah? Are you holding with your left hand? Yeah. Okay, so make sure you're holding it for 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, and then after you were holding for 3 beats, you're gonna add E and A in the right hand, our harmonic interval. Okay? Your right hand, behind your right hand. How many notes is the right hand playing?
4. 1, 2.
No, right hand. Right hand.
Oh. 2.
2. Yeah. Let's go ahead, finish up the song. Finish up the song. Don't get tired. Stay with me, Mihan. Stay with me. Yes, very good. And now tell me, what kind of interval are you playing at the end with your right hand?
Harmonic intervals?
It's a harmonic interval, but what's the number? Remember, we're counting the space from the bottom note to the top note. So we have this note.
6.
Let's count. So this note is on the line or in the space?
They're both on the line. No, one's on the line, one's on the space.
And then we have, so we're counting lines and spaces. Line, space, line, and the second note is in the space number 2. So how many steps from the bottom note to the top? Let's count. How many lines do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, so this is called fourth, right?
Yeah.
4. So pretend that we're doing some karate. So let's chop some karate movement. Let's do some karate. We're doing E, and then A, like this. Now let's play that interval, like a karate chop. Yes. Yeah, we're doing some karate. Interval karate chop, like this. Do you see my camera?
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you. Let me show you my karate chop. So it's E, A. That's the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, A. Do you like my karate chop? Yeah.